Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to replace water pump on Hyundai Santa Fe. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you don't like, please comment below and skip the video. Be honest and subscribe my channel please. I need your support. Thank you. This complete work is 2.5 hours. When you watch my video, you're gonna finish within 1 hour. Now let's get into it. First, remove the engine mount to access the water pump, and then remove the belt as well. Now remove the 4 bolts on water pump pulley to access the water pump bolts. Here is the water pump. Remove the water pump bolts, all of them. And then wiggle it, or you can use spray bar to take it out. See, a lot of coolant there is leaking. Clean the water pump surface nicely, make it shine, clean properly, and then put back the new water pump and tight the bolts, and don't forget to torque the bolts. Here is the new water pump going in. Put back the water pump pulley as well, tight the bolts. Last but not least, put on the belt. Finally flush the coolant, and that will be everything.